This is a CR Onsrud customer story. Woodland Horizon has been making high-quality custom cabinetry for 20 years. They're based in Drayton, Ontario, Canada. They could have bought a CNC router from anyone, but they chose us, twice. So we took a trip out there to visit them. We joined their morning meeting, but to our surprise, they taped some sticks together and they started playing baseball? Well, sort of. This is Woodland's president and founder, Laverne.
So yeah, this morning, what you observed was what we would call one of our team building events. Simply groups of people that got together and brainstormed, had a little Kaizen, kind of figured out how they want to make their baseball bat with these supplies they've got. And then it was a bit of healthy competition between groups of who can hit the ball the furthest. But really the core of that is the team building part of it. So just getting our team together, everyone front to back together in one big group every morning, relating to each other. We get to know each other. We get to know each other kind of outside of the traditional 9-to-5 work kind of mindset. My big passion is building solid teams. So building a team that works well together, plays well together, and just enjoys being together. From that, we get a team that will solve problems, will look at things as opportunities rather than issues. That's what swung us to the Onsrud in the beginning. We were down at the Onsrud factory, super impressed with just the people and culture and the machines and everything there. We came back to Onsrud again because of the durability of the machines. These machines they don't break. We've been running one for 13 years and one for 8 years, I guess. And I can count on a couple of fingers how many days we've been down. I don't think we've even been down a whole day. Rock solid, built to last.
For customized CNC routers that are built to last, CR Onsrud is ready to help. Call or email us for a quote.
That's not good enough.